In today's video, we will guide you through some ways to transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone. So let's get started. The first one is using AirDrop. AirDrop is a quick and wireless way to transfer selected photos between iPhones. All you have to do is open Control Center, then press and hold the AirDrop option available on the top and set AirDrop to everyone or contacts only. If the devices are already in each other's contacts, then keep contacts only or set it to everyone. On the source iPhone, open the Photos app and select the photos you want to send and tap the share icon and select AirDrop and choose the receiving iPhone. Accept this transfer on the receiving iPhone to complete the process. Now, the second one is using iCloud Photos. If both iPhones use the same Apple ID, iCloud Photos can sync photos across devices automatically. All you have to do is go to the Settings app on your mobile device and now in Settings, tap on your name on the top. So once there, simply scroll down and tap on the iCloud option available there. Then tap on the Photos and toggle on the Sync this iPhone option available there. My iPhone storage is quite low, so I cannot sync it. So after you sync this, photos should appear on the new iPhone as they upload from iCloud, depending on the size of your photo library and available iCloud storage. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.